Shankaram, Shankaram. In this video, we look at the meaning of stanza 1 and stanza 2 of the Thevaram, Pitha Pirai Soodi.
Pitha Pirai Soodi Perumane Arulala. Pitha Pirai Soodi Perumane Arulala. எத்தான் மறவாதே நினைக்கின்றேன் மனதுன்னை. எத்தான் மறவாதே நினைக்கின்றேன் மனதுன்னை. வைத்தாய் பெண்ணை தென்பால் வெண்ணை நல்லூர் அருத்துறையுள். வைத்தாய் பெண்ணை தென்பால் வெண்ணை நல்லூர் அருத்துறையுள். அத்தா உனக்காளாய் இனியல்லேன் எனலாமே.
Pitha Pirai Soodi. You remember when I was saying the history of the song, Lord Siva asks Sundaramurthy to start with the word Pitha. So Pitha means, oh mad one. Pirai Soodi. Pirai is the crescent, Soodi is wearing. So Lord Shiva is wearing the crescent on top of his head. Perumane, oh big one, oh tall one, you can say like that. Arulala, won't you grace me? Yettan Maravade. Yettan is in what manner or how can I? Mara is to forget. Maravade, can I not forget? How can I not forget you? Ninaikindren, I'm thinking of you. Manadu unnai, in my mind, you. Vaithai, you have kept yourself in my mind. So how can I not forget you? Or how can you grace me such that I do not forget you? Pennai, Pennai is the Pennai river that flows near the temple of Arulthurai, near Thiruvenneynalloor, in the place called Thiruvenneynalloor. Pennai, Tenpal is in the south. Tenpal, Venneynalloor, Thiruvenneynalloor, Arulthurayul, the name of the temple. Atta, O Father, O Lord, Unak Alai, I am your slave or I am your bonded devotee. I have always been your bonded devotee because you remember Sundaramurthy Nayanar came from Kailash. So he was always under Lord Shiva. Ini allen enalame. Ini allen. Now I am not. Can I say? Ame. Can I say that? Can I say that I am not your bonded labor now? Or can I argue with you that I am not your bonded labor? So you remember in the history of the song, I said that Lord Shiva actually produces a bond saying that he is my adimai, he is my slave, that Sundaramurthy Nayanar is my slave. And Sundaramurthy Nayanar argues and tells him, no, you are not my slave. So this is exactly what he is saying. I have always been your slave. Can I now say that I am not your slave?
O mad one, O holy Lord who dawns the crescent moon, you are the one who has entered and occupied my mind such that I always think of you. Please grace me such that I never forget you. O Father who dwells in the temple of Aruthurai in Thiruvenneynalloor, along the banks of river Pennai that flows in a southerly direction, I have always been your slave. Is it right for me to deny that now?
நாயின் பல நாளும் நினைப்பின்றி மனதுன்னை பேயாய் திரிந்தைத்தேன் பெறலாக அருள் பெற்றேன். வேயார் பெண்ணை தென்பால் வெண்ணை நல்லூர் அருத்துறையுள் ஆயா உனக்காளாயினி அல்லேன் எனலாமே.
நாயேன் பல நாளும். பல நாளும் is many days. நாயேன் like a dog. நினைப்பின்றி மனத்துன்னை. நினைப்பு is thinking. இன்றி without. மனது உன்னை. In my mind you. Without thinking of you. All those days I have been like a dog. Then he says, பேயாய் திருந்து எய்தேன். So பேய் போல. That means just like a spirit or like a devil I have been. So this has got two interpretations. So you can say that, okay, he's been like a devil or he's been like a dog, because all those days that he's not thought about Lord Shiva, he's been like that. Because you see in the dog, in the hierarchical structure of an Atma, of a soul, is quite low, whereas a human being is quite high in that hierarchy. So that's why he always compares, or he often compares in many Thevarams of himself to a dog. So this pei pola is also got another interpretation. Pei pola thirigirathu is also meaning going about in eager search of gains or material wealth. So you can say I have always been in materialistic searches, but I have never gone about searching for Lord Shiva. So if you see the first two lines, this is very similar to Matru Patru also, where he says, Ittanun adi ettuvar igazhundittanal, all those days I have forgotten, marandittanal and forgotten, kettanal, they are all bad days. So it is very similar to that Thevaram. So like that when he says, Pera laga arul petrain. Pera, what I have got. Lagu means with ease. Laga is without ease. So to get the grace of God is very difficult to get. So that's why he says, Pera laga arul, that grace that is so difficult to get, nan petrin. I have got that grace because I have seen Lord Shiva, I have seen you now. Veyar. Vei means bamboo. Ar means niraindadu, full of. So Pennai river that is full of these bamboo shoots, maybe bamboo shoots they're growing around the Pennai river, and sometimes they fall into the river. So that's what he's describing. He's describing the nature. So Veyar Pennai Tenpal. Tenpal is it's flowing in the south. Vennaynalloor, Thiruvenneynalloor, Arul Thurayul, the name of the temple, Arul Thurayul. Aya, Unakalai, Aya, O Lord, O Father, O Mother, Unakalai. I have always been under you, I have always been your slave, I have always been your devotee. Ini alle nenalame. Is it possible that I can say that I am no longer your devotee? Because I have come from Kailash and I used to be under you, and now how can I say that I am arguing with you? How could I have even argued with you that I am not your slave?
I have lived like a dog and wandered around like a ghost all those days that I haven't thought about you, and have attained that grace which is normally so difficult to attain. O Lord, who dwells in the temple of Arutturai in Thiruvenneynalloor, along the banks of river Pennai that flows in a southerly direction, carrying bamboo shoots along, I have always been your slave. Is it right for me to deny that now?
Shankaram, Siva Shankaram.